Okay, today let's talk something about the wiring for single power smart switch. Here is the power source. This one is the neutral wire. You see neutral wire from here together to the node. And this one is the hot knife wire. And here, this one is the node wire to the name. This is a single power smart switch. It has 4 wires. This one is the neutral wire, this one is the hot knife, and this one is the load lamp, and this one is the ground wire. So let's connect them together. First, let's connect the neutral wire first. Neutral wire, all of the neutral wires can connect them together. And second, let's connect the hot knife with our knife wire. With these 2 wires, the switch can power itself. And then let's connect this load wire to the load wire to the lamp. This ground wire doesn't affect the function of the switch. If you have a ground wire in your switch box, you can connect them together. Okay, so it's connected. Let's turn on the power and switch on, switch off, switch on, switch off. It worked.